Welcome back. So in this video we'll learn how to set up the environment for writing JavaScript code. For writing JavaScript code we'll be using Visual Studio Code. uh, if you want to use Sublime Text or Atom, you can also use Sublime Text Editor, or even Atom. So like these are the different code editor where we can write JavaScript. So but my favorite is VS Code, because I can there's no specific reason, I've been using this for quite a long time now, so this is my favorite, one of the favorite. And then if you like Sublime Text or Atom, then you can go with that, no problem with that, so everything works. So but in this case I'll go with Visual Studio Editor. So here what we can do is like you can just check your platform. Like for if you are using Ubuntu, Windows, then go with this one, and then if you are using Ubuntu, then you can go with this one, or if you are using Mac, then you can go with this one. So as I'm having Mac, so I've installed for the Mac version. So once we complete the installation of this Visual Studio Code, and then we have to now install the Node. So in order to run JavaScript in our favorite code editor like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, Atom, so we need to have a Node.js Node installed in our environment, in our system. So you can just follow along how to install this Node in our system. So you can see like which operating system you're using. So currently I'm using Mac OS. So I can so let's just see like what happens when installing Mac OS. So what it does is give me a Node package. So what I have to do is I just have to install this package. Like, but since I've already installed this in my system, so I don't have to do. So same thing goes with Windows installer. Just install the Node file and then just follow along. So once you completely installed the Node from that Node node.js.org, so just go to your terminal, any of the terminal, and then just write node dash v. So you should get the version of the node if it is installed. So if nothing appears on writing this one, so you have to, most probably you have to reinstall the node again and follow the installation instructions again. And then one thing to remember here is whenever we install node, a new we have a npm, which is known as node package manager. So this also get installed along with the node. So you see, so you just have to verify if your node is installed successfully or not by using this command node dash v. Dash v means version. So if you see the version number here, so that means the node is installed successfully. So I hope you are able to follow along. So if any confusion or any problem error you're facing, so please just add it in the comment section below so that I can just help you out.